Alright guys, yo, this is gonna be a fast video. I know the audio might not be as loud because I don't have the microphone directly in front of me, and I'm gonna do that right now. So as you can see, I got my microphone in front of me right now. Let's just move some of these cords really quick, because I'm playing around with a lot of the stuff. But as you can see, I got it kind of like blurred out, and you can see like some of my background kind of like blurring it. So I'm just gonna kind of blur that out a little so you can see. Like I said, I'm still in the process of moving. I got to take the rest of that stuff down, and I'm out of here next week Saturday. So yeah. So currently right now I am going to be showing y'all how to play your PS Vita, as you can see right here, on your iPads, iPhones, with really nothing. So if you want to use a microphone like this, you need a dock. You can get a cheap dock for like $10-15, or you can get a ROG Ally X Steam Deck dock and use that, or you can buy a dock like this, something like this that has it, and you can just pop your stuff on here like that, and basically like that. As you can see, Wi-Fi, HDMI, power, and 3 on USB 3.0 ohms right there. But I am using my iPad. I was going to use my Elgato thing, because you can use the Elgato software to do the recordings like this. As you can see, I still got stuff in the background that I need to do, and as you can see, my blurriness like that. So I can move the frame in and out like that by me just controlling what's happening on the screen. But yeah, the whole point of this video is basically showing you guys how to record your PS Vita. If you want to do something like this, how I got it set up, like I said, you need a regular dock. You can even plug your PS Vita directly into the your iPad. What you have to do is get a little adapter. Actually, you don't need an adapter. You can just get a hub, or you can get one of these type of adapters right here. Plug this inside and plug it directly into your iPad. The only problem is that when you're gaming and recording, your battery is gonna die. So you need a dock that you can actually put your own charging cord in and charge your iPad at the same time of recording at the same time. So as you can see, I have overlays and stuff on here. The name of this app that I'm using is called Camo Studio, so it allows me to do that. So let's switch over. So I'm gonna power on my PS Vita real quick. There we go. There we go. And let's switch the scenes over. This is a free app. Also, Elgato dropped the whole thing with now if you have a HD Elgato a capture card, which is the HDX 4K. I forgot what it was. I think it's the Elgato HD4X. I don't remember the name of it. I just got to think about it. You can use that on the iPad, everything now. The only thing is just you won't get a camera on it to use with it. So that's the only thing. So let's switch the scenes over real quick. There we go. And for you to be able to hear the actual gameplay, because right now you can hear what's going on, but you're not going to hear it clear. So I actually have to plug the cord in. The reason why I said you're going to need something like this, because when using an iPad, there's no way to plug a headphone thing unless you buy an adapter to connect it. So yeah, so you just need something like this. I have two of these. This is a fine thing. So yeah, I'm gonna plug this directly into my Vita. I have two ways to play. I can use my PS5 controller to control everything that's happening on my Elgato, or I can use it directly plugged in. So I'm just gonna plug this in real quick. There we go. And you should be hearing the gameplay also. So let's just jump inside of a game real quick. I was doing Dragon Ball Z. I can do this one, or Marvel vs. Capcom. You know what? Let's do Shin Budokai. Let's just go in here real quick. Sorry, that's my chair. Switching it over left and right. Okay. I'm gonna turn that off because I'm hearing a double echo right now because I got the mic monitor in, so I might hear a double echo. So I'm gonna turn it down. I want to turn the game audio down a little. So this is the game audio. Okay. Okay, so this is the game audio. I'm trying to game audio up a little. About right there. Right there sounds better for me. Okay. I had to do a lot of things to switch around the buttons on here. A lot of hacking and stuff like that. We're just going to go inside training real quick. I haven't started the game. I'm going to play it probably sometime tonight. Just get through this because I do want to unlock a lot of the characters in a Super Saiyan form. Let's go with Piccolo. My audio may be out of sync. The reason why it may be out of sync is because I might have to edit this video to put the audio in sync with everything, because it's going to probably be out of sync. Damn. That wasn't correct. Yo, why is not doing it? I don't know what's up. Yo, I might have to overclock this real quick. There we go. Let's hit him with a spirit bomb real quick. Man, that shit is crazy, right? And that you guys see, I am playing it on here. So I'm actually literally playing it like this, because this is still a controller at the same time I'm playing it, so. Power it up real quick. I might have to put this through the editor and clean up the audio. Trying to power that up real quick. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Alright guys, so I just want to show you guys that. Let me show you this. Let me put this in an overclock real quick. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the overclock, what's happening on the screen. Let me see. Let's do that. So I'm gonna overclock the game. Actually, it's already overclocked. No, it wasn't. Let's put the FPS counter up on the screen. There we go. No, I didn't mean to do that. So that's one of the websites I use right there to hack the Vita. For some reason, the thing won't stay on. Okay. All right, guys. So that's right there. I don't know if it's gonna put the thing back on the screen or not. Yeah, it's not gonna show it. Okay. All right, guys. So that's the end of this video. Just wanted you guys to see this. Let me get out. Exit that. Swipe down. Okay. As you can see, let me put it to this right here because I kind of like having this thing with retro flow on. Kind of like having that on. I want to put this in as a boot. I know that one of the plugins is broke on it, so I kind of like don't even rock with it, to be honest. Why is this split like that? Oh no, that's weird. I was playing Star Wars earlier. Where is it? Vita. There we go. I need to remove this because I actually deleted that off there. And where's my Assassin's Creed? I gotta remove Spider-Man off here also because it's been crashing my own Vita. I gotta put the other Assassin's Creeds on here, and I gotta put all my PlayStation games up on here. So yeah. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.